Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the default USB configuration on this device. Simply go to settings and scroll down at the bottom. You can see the option developer options. Tap on this one. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see the option default USB configuration. You can see under the networking section you can see this option default USB configuration. Tap on this one. So here you can see some options. So transferring files, USB tethering, MIDI, transferring images, charging phone only. You can see these settings will be applied when your phone is unlocked and connected to another device. Only connected to device that you trust. Okay. So from here you can select any options. So if you want to use only charge your phone, then you have to select the option charge phone only. So if you want to transfer the files, then you can select the options transferring files. So this includes the video, photos, files, documents, etc. So if you want to transfer only the images, then you can select the option transferring files. So simply this is the default USB configuration on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.